I have just signed a request to the Justice Secretary, copy furnished the Bureau of Immigration, for a request for a lookout order for these individuals listed here. And I will enumerate. Okay, I will enumerate. The lookout order that I have requested, the DOJ and the Bureau of Immigration are on. OIC Assistant Regional Director Henry C. Alcantara. OIC District Engineer Bryce Erickson B. Hernandez. OIC Assistant District Engineer J.P.D. Mendoza. Engineer Ernesto C. Galang, Planning and Design Section, Dato DPWH. Engineer John Michael E. Ramos, Construction Section. Engineer Norberto L. Santos, Quality Assurance and Hydrology Section. Engineer Jaime R. Hernandez, Maintenance Section. Florarin Y. Simbulan, Administrative Section. Juanito C. Mendoza, Finance Section. Engineer Benedict J. Matawaran, Procurement Unit. Mr. Alex H. Abedillo, President, Legacy Construction Corporation. Ms. Cesara C. Discaya and Pacifico F. Discaya, President and AMO, respectively, Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation. Ms. Maria Roma Angeline D. Armando, Owner and Manager, St. Timothy Construction Corporation. Mr. Alan B. Kirante, Owner, Proprietor, QM Builders. Mr. Ernie G. Bagao, Owner, Proprietor, EGB Construction Corporation. Mr. Yumir S. Villanueva, President, Top Notch Catalyst Builders, Inc. Ms. Aderma Angeli D. Alcazar, President, CEO, SunWest Incorporated. Mr. Edgar S. Acosta, President, High Tone Construction and Development Corporation. Mr. Wilfredo M. Natividad, Owner, General Manager, 888 Construction and Supply, Inc. Mr. Romeo C. Miranda, President, AMO, Royal Crown Monarch Construction and Supplies Corp. Mr. Alan V. Arevalo, General Manager, Wow Builders. Ms. Marjorie O. Samidan, Authorized Managing Officer, MG Samidan Construction. Mr. Luisro R. Tiki, President, LR Tiki Builders, Inc. And Mr. Ryan Willie D. Uy, Proprietor, Road Edge Trading and Development Services.